And as I mentioned, it was the Americans, too, who first raised red flags about contaminated Canadian beef. Well, today, the inspection procedures at the XL Foods plant in Brooks, Alberta, were back under the microscope. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency is disputing reports there was a double standard, tough rules for beef exported to Japan, less stringent ones for meat destined for Canadians. As Shirley Engel reports, the story has set off a firestorm in Ottawa.
First, the largest meat recall in Canadian history. Now, allegations of a two-tier inspection system at the XL Foods plant in Brooks, Alberta, has the government agency in charge on damage control again.
Their memos very clearly say, look the other way on carcasses that are not destined to Japan.
The CFIA calling the report categorically false.
The presence on a carcass of fecal material or ingesta, contents of the intestine, is unacceptable. Zero tolerance.
Not according to a leaked memo from the agency in 2008. Inspectors at one of the plant's stations were told our #1 priority is to ensure this standard is met with Japan-eligible carcasses. When stationed at this position, ensure that non-Japan eligible carcasses are not inspected for spinal cord duramatter, OCD defects, and minor ingesta. Ignore them. Task audits and/or other tests will cover these items.
Once it passes this point, there's a final wash, but that wash is not designed to remove visible contamination.
A revised memo issued a few weeks ago tells inspectors to report contamination without halting production if possible. The CFIA told us it was never a two-tier system. The memo simply emphasized a division of labor.
How can the Prime Minister say that everything is perfectly okay when in fact the memo was changed? It was changed because there's a problem.
CFIA has confirmed the meat sold in Canada is just as safe as meat exported to other countries. There are strict food safety standards in this country. That is the law.
The opposition is once again calling for an audit of the entire agency.
It's unclear if the directive for Japan had anything to do with the E. coli outbreak that led to the closure of the plant in the first place. But the NDP says new management at XL Foods has made changes in recent weeks that have made things safer. Donna?
Shirley Engel, thanks.